How to save battery life in iOS 26. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you simply need to head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, move into General. Inside General, scroll down and move into Background App Refresh. Make sure that the background app refresh is turned off. Sometimes this feature might be turned on and it might be the reason that the battery is draining. Make sure to turn off completely. Now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to Display and Brightness inside Settings. In this page, head over to Auto Lock and then click on 30 seconds. Don't set the settings to never. Once done, now the next thing you can try doing is simply go back once again and head over to Battery. You have to make sure that the low power mode is turned on. It will reduce background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your phone. So these are some of the ways in order for you to save the battery life in iOS 26. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.